It's le crazy. Okay.
Okay.
And masculine form, masculine singular is Brasilia.
Hey there, welcome to frenchnyou, your go-to place for affordable live online French courses. Whether you are a beginner or preparing for DELF or DELF exam, we have got you covered. Join our global community of more than 25,000 learners from more than 45 different countries with 2 million plus views on YouTube. On our website, you can rate your own French level and pick the batch that suits you best. We offer multiple time slots and you get to choose two preferences at the time of registration. Every French course includes 2 mock DELF practice exams and a course completion certificate. Visit frenchnyou.com to explore course details, success stories, and more.
Now we will begin with another topic of this lesson. Again, very important. We will today we will go through the nationalities.
Okay.
Pays, pays.
Pay.
Yeah, you can put the heading. Le pays.
Pay
Le.
means country.
Yeah, le pays, the countries.
The countries. Okay. So this India, la and land,
Lands. Mhm.
land. And this one nationality, Andia, Andia,
India.
Andian, Andiane,
Mm,
Andian. Huh?
no, India
If
and the N.
Andia, Andian.
Mm,
For Japan, it's Japone,
Japonais.
La Chine, and Shinwa,
Wait, is that?
Shin, China, La Chine,
The China is a China.
and nationality is Shinwa,
China.
Shinwa and Shinwas.
China.
For this Germany, this should be
Alma. Mhm.
Almo, and Almo and Almond,
So, country name is Lalmania.
Lalmanye, Lalman,
Nationality is Almond.
Almond. दो भी आएगा लास्ट में ना
Yeah,
दो.
feminine में आएगा.
Okay. This the Denmark is Denvos citizens.
Denwa.
Denvo.
So it's Denwa, right?
Pakistani,
Pakistani.
Pakistani.
So now we are done with adverb, avoir verb. We know professions, we know nationalities, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we will do a few exercises and we will be doing do the questions. Question number one, question number two. Question number one, so I think we can discuss essay we can discuss. So on to fill up one response. That means circle the correct answer. So what do you think about this person? L-A Italia ou Italian?
L-A Italiane.
Italian.
Italian.
Okay. Next. Il
L-A
est français,
Francais.
française.
Francais.
Then il est canadien, canadienne.
Canadien.
Elle est américain, américaine.
L-A American.
Next one. Elle est français, française.
Française.
Okay. So, Anuv, what will be the next one? L-A. Which one?
Almond.
With E in the last, right?
Almond. Yes.
Right. Yeah, okay. What about the next one?
L-A Chinoise. Chinoise.
Right. Perfect. So these are correct. These ones you can do. आप ऐसे orally भी कर सकते हो, right? If you want, you can do it orally also.
Isabelle, Jenny, L-A Francais. Isabelle. Okay. Canadian.
Yeah. So elle s'appelle Christine, L.A. Canadian.
Isabel, Natvia,
Nativia.
Nativia,
Mm-hmm.
LA, Portuguese. I don't remember Portuguese.
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 Hmm.
Portuguese. Okay. Isabel, Hilaria, and LA. Um, Tal, Tally, Italian, please.
Italian.
Italian. Okay, Italian.
Hmm.
Isabel, Aiko, Echo,
Aiko.
LA, Japanese.
जापानीज अगर हम बोलेंगे तो
Japano,
फेमिनिन हो जाएगा जापानी जापानी
Japanese. Isabel, Jack, LA, and English, this one is Angleterre, English,
so
Angleterre,
il est anglais
Hong-
il est anglais
Longley, LA, Anglais,
anglais yeah
Anglais, okay. Anglais and Anglaise. Isabel, Sally, LA, American,
exactly exactly
Isabel, Elvira, and LA, Lalmanie, Lalman, Salmanie.
Almania is the country name
Okay, Alman, Almo and
Almania
Almon. Okay, Isabel, Jean-Marc, LA, Canadien, Isabel, Amy, LA, Anglais, Anglais,
Anglaise
Anglais, Isabel, Inai,
mm-hmm.
LA, Chinoise,
Chinoise right next
Isabel, Lucy,
mm-hmm.
LA, Swiss,
Swiss right
Isabel, male or female, I don't know. What is this? Josh.
Josh mm-hmm. Let's consider male
Hmm. So Isabel, Josh, a American,
American
American,
no American
American. Isabel, Josh, a Espanol,
Spaniel
Espanol. Okay. Isabel, Amiro, a Brazilian. Brazil, we didn't write Brazil, but
I think Brazil के लिए हमने नहीं discuss किया था right
नहीं Brazil नहीं किया.
so let me tell you for Brazil so it's Brazil as the country name it's Brazil okay
Okay.
and masculine form masculine singular is Brasilia and feminine singular is Brazilian. Le Brésil is the country name. The Brazil. Brasilia is the masculine form. Brazilian is the feminine form. Now we will do a few more exercises and let's do it on page 164. So you can open the page number 164. Sans soixante quatre. Ouvrez votre livre à la page 164. Open your book, the page number Sounds like Castro. And we can do question number 8 and 9. We have not done the 8th one, so we can do the 8th question.
So for Cameroon, it is Sedu A. Cameroon masculine.
Cameroon, NAIS. हाँ, Cameroon. And अगर feminine है तो Cameroonese. AISE.
So from the name, what I can Sedu, I think it's a male
Saidu.
name. Saidu.
Saidu is a masculine, right?
Cameroonier.
Cameroon.
Cameroonese. A Thu, Thu is female name. THU. Thu would be, I think, female. Huh?
Maybe.
Vietnamese.
इनके नामों का तो आइडिया है नहीं.
Vladimir A. Rusi. So Gemma A. English. Anglaise. Ici Chinoise.
And अगर आपको if you want to say about masculine form, you can say Huma. Woman. Huma is for masculine, Humain is for feminine. और अगर आपको कंट्री का नाम जानना है तो इट्स हुमानी इज लाइक रोमानिया.
Romanian. Country name would be Rome in French.
Romani. It's written in the bracket. This is the one. Romani. Let's move on to the Cahier book, the workbook. À la page 9. Workbook à la page 9.
Lycée la page.
La page internet du festival des cultures francophones et faites des phrases comme dans l'exemple.
We have to just tick mark here in table.
No, we have to write the sentences like this, Alexandre Van Hash, a Belge, a humorist. So, for example, यहाँ पे country name लिखा हुआ है side में, left side if you will have a look,
yes.
country name, and then some of the like professions are mentioned, right? So there's a man smiling, so you will see, it's ticked over here. So accordingly, professions के हिसाब से you have to. Yes, Anup, done.
Yes.
Okay. So let's discuss the answers. What do you think about this one? Nina Shombe.
Nina Shombe, a Canadian.
It's not Canadian.
Oh, sorry,
Cameroonese.
Cameroonese. A actress.
Actrice. Right. Next
is William Lavoie. Lavoie. William Lavoie, a Canadian. A chantrish.
Chanteurs.
Singer. Chanteurs.
TEUR on the last.
Chanteur. Okay. Chanteur.
Okay. Next.
And Matthew, a Français, a
Panther.
George Labaki, a Liban is Libyan. Not sure. Liban.
So it's Lebanese. I'll just write down the chat box.
It's
Feminine
Libya,
singular.
for Libya.
Yeah. Okay. So it's there in the chat box. You can see in the chat box also. It's Libanais, Libanese. Okay. Masculine singular, Libanais, Libanais. And
Libanais.
feminine singular is Libanese. You can also add this in the chart. Libanais, Libanese. Okay. So Georges Labaki, a Libanais.
A Libanais, a realizateur.
Realizator. Right.
Caroline Nguyen, a Vietnamese.
Vietnamian.
Vietnamian.
IENNE.
I
Vietnamian.
Vietnamian, a
Chanteurs. Remember chanteurs? It's an exception. CHANTEUSE. Chanteurs.
Vietnamien.
Vietnamian.
Vietnamian.
Okay. Sisa. That's it.